Something that I see requested a lot in forums or in Facebook communities for Squarespace is the ability to make your gallery a lightbox. And what a lightbox means is when you click on an image, it pops up and you just see that image like zoomed in. So what I'm going to do in this video is show you really easily where to find it and how to toggle it on. So on our site here, if you go into a page by clicking on edit, we're going to want to throw in a new section. So to find a gallery section, you want to go into images, and anything with this little eye icon here is basically a gallery section. So we'll add this one in. And then if we go into edit section, you can see under additional options, we've got Lightbox. So if you want to switch this on, you just toggle it on. And then what we'll do is we'll hit save. We'll exit, and I can show you this now. So we click on this and you can actually then cycle through all the images in that section. You click X if you want to get out, and that is that. So hopefully you found that useful. If you did, please make sure to leave a like and hit subscribe. And if you want me to build your Squarespace website, you can get in touch using the links in the description.